Auntie again, and yeah, hope you are good out there, guys. And yes, I'm here again to share with you my another recipe or a snack slash dessert. And this is a uh, peanut butter banana muffin, guys. And it can make also by cookies if you want to do by cookies. So I thinking to make like that because all my bananas in my kitchen is very ripe, so I don't want to waste and throw away, guys. So I make for something can eat back. So yeah, so you can see here all my ingredients and I show you guys. So and yeah, so let's get it started, guys. This is our ingredients, guys. We have brown sugar, salt, cinnamon powder, baking powder, and we have bananas here and creamy peanut butter and vanilla. So that's everything ingredients, guys. And we have another one ingredients, guys. This is a raw oats. 2 cups. So next we gonna mix all the dried ingredients, guys. So take the bowl. So we pour all the raw oats first, brown sugar and salt. Then we take a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, guys. There you go. And we add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then mixing all the brown sugar, everything. You can use also the old-fashioned oats here, but for me, raw oats. Looks like this, guys, the raw oats I'm talking here. This is it, guys. Anyway, this is not a sponsor, guys, huh? Raw oats brand. And we leave it here first, then we do first the wet ingredients. So now I have a plate and we need to mess the bananas very right, guys. I'm using the fork or tinidor in my language, Tagalog. So we're gonna pour into the dry ingredients. Mixing all together, guys. Can add also chocolate chips here, guys. But for me now, I don't have a chocolate chips, so just as it is. Or can add also nuts, walnuts, so that when you eat, there is something to bite. I think it's okay. That's the taste. Wow. Nice. It's good smell. the vanilla give a fragrance with this, guys. Yeah, so we can pour on the muffin cups and can make also cookies this one, guys. But for me now also, I just want to make for muffin because so easy to make also. Okay, so here is my plate. So we fill up all the muffin bowl on this plate. Looking enough. So let's. So that's all, guys. The extra holder, never mind, and is ready. Go inside for the baking inside the oven. So let's go. Anyway, there you go, guys. So I need to open, and temperature the oven is 180 and cook about 12 minutes. Wow, it's so really amazing, the fragrance or the smell, the muffin, guys. I can smell here. I a bit far away from the oven, and yeah, very strong the smell. The smell vanilla, the peanut butter, the bananas. Really, guys. So yeah, so let's see later on. And yeah, they are already pop up, guys. So I show you guys. There you go, guys. Oh, look, so lovely. So we're waiting for another, I think, 4 minutes more. Then we check. And yeah, shout out to all my subscribers in this channel. And thank you very much and appreciate your support here, guys. Yeah, if you wanna support this channel, guys, just check under the description box my membership link, and you can get access exclusive perks. So go ahead and check. So this is now, guys, our muffin. Looks nice. So let's give a rest 10 minutes, then we check. So here's now my peanut butter banana muffins, guys. There you go. Wow, looks like grilled on top. It's crispy, crunchy, guys. So let's give a try. One. So I'm gonna pick one, guys. So there you go. Yeah, so really crispy on top, guys, and the inside is moist. Is not so dry, really moist. So very soft. Look. Wow. So strong the peanut butter, the smell, guys. Then wow. Wow, so good. Delicious, guys. So nice the blend the banana and the peanut butter. So blended well, guys. So delicious. Wow. Something like pulveron, the one I like the candy of pulveron, the way I describe the taste this one. So really nice. So yummy. Take another. Wow. I couldn't stop saying wow. Big thumbs up, guys. So yeah. Mm. So yeah, so I end my video here, guys, and hope you like this video or you enjoy to watch this video today again, guys. So yeah, my full recipe I write down on under the description box below. You are feel free to check if you ever or wish to make, guys, to try to do this recipe. And yes, always stay kind to one another, people around you, every day, guys. And please considering to subscribe, click the like button and comments down below so that alam ko rin ang reaction you, guys, so I can read your reaction. And if ever you ask a question, so I will try to answer your question also, guys. Yeah, so see you again next time.